Suno AI can create amazing songs. But what if the voice still doesn't feel like yours? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use your own voice with Suno AI. No complicated editing software, no studio, no expensive equipment. That question stayed in my head for a long time. I tried again and again to make Suno songs with my own voice, and every time it failed. The song was good, but the voice didn't feel personal, it didn't feel real. So I spent weeks searching for a real solution, not a gimmick, not a fake AI voice. And when I finally found it, it completely changed how I create music. So here's exactly what this video is about. I'm going to show you step by step how to create songs in Suno AI using your own voice, and how to keep that voice consistent across different songs without editing, without a studio, and without complicated workflows. This video is for you if you're already using Suno AI, you love the music it creates, but you don't feel connected to the voice, and you want the song to actually sound like you, even if you're not a professional singer. And I promise you that by the end of it, you'll know exactly how to turn any Suno song into a version that sounds like you, from start to finish. Let's get into it. Step 1. Creating the song in Suno AI. So first, we need to create a song in Suno AI. For this example, I'll choose Custom. Then, I'll generate a song using AI by clicking the magic wand icon. Next, I'll click on Write Lyrics and pick the option I like. You can write your own lyrics if you want, but for this demo, I'll just let Suno handle it. Now let's choose the style of the song. You can type your own style prompt here. But again, I'll click the magic wand and let Suno generate it for me. Once everything looks good, just click Create. Suno will now generate 2 versions of the song. Give it a moment and wait until both are ready. Let's listen to what Suno came up with.
Under the sofa, a furry gray sea, dust bunnies gather, staring at me. They got tiny eyes, they got little dreams.
After that, pick the version you like the most. Click the 3 dots, then download and choose MP3 audio, and that's it. We've got our song and we are ready for the next step. Step 2. Record your voice. Next, we need to record your voice singing or speaking for at least 10 minutes. And don't worry, this part is way easier than it sounds. You don't need a professional studio. You don't need expensive gear, and you don't need any complicated software. What does matter is clean audio. Your voice should sound as natural as possible without interruptions. If you have access to a studio or a treated space with good sound, that's amazing. Use it. But if not, that's totally fine. The most important thing is to record in a quiet place. No background noise, no interruptions. And make sure it's one voice only. No layers, no harmonies, no 2 voices at the same time. Also, try to sing or speak in different ranges. Go a bit lower, go a bit higher. This helps the AI understand your voice much better and gives you the best result. Now, I don't have a professional studio and I don't have fancy recording equipment, and I know most of you don't either, but that shouldn't stop us from using this amazing AI tool. So for this demo, I recorded everything using the voice recording app on my phone. That's it. No gear, no editing software, and not a single dollar spent. Just make sure your recording is at least 10 minutes long in a quiet space with clean sound. I already prepared a recording of myself singing for about 12 minutes. Let's listen to a few seconds of it. Don't worry, I won't make you suffer through the whole thing.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seats while I was sleeping.
Step 3. Create your voice in Controller Voice. After enjoying my singing for a few seconds, let's move to the most interesting part of this video. Controller Voice is an amazing AI tool that lets us change the voice in any song we give it. It has a lot of powerful features worth exploring, but today we're focusing on one thing only: creating your own unique voice. You can check out Controller Voice through the link in the description below. Once you are in on the Controller Voice home screen, click on My Controller, then click on My Voices. This is where all the voices you've created and will create in the future live. To create a new voice, click Create New Voice. Now you have 2 options. You can upload a ready audio file of your recording or record directly inside Controller Voice. Choose whatever feels easier for you. I'll upload the file I already recorded on my phone. On the next screen, Controller will show you a list of recommendations. These are important. They help the AI create the most accurate voice and the best possible result. Once everything is ready, click My Files Meet the Standard. Next, Upload your recording file. Just make sure it's longer than 10 minutes for the best results. After the file is uploaded, click Create Voice and choose a name for your voice. Check the box, then click Create Voice again. Now Controller Voice will start creating your voice. In my experience, this usually takes just a few minutes. Once the voice is ready, click Use Voice. And now we're ready for the fun part. Step 4. Swapping the voice in your Suno song. Now comes the fun part, the moment where the magic happens. Swapping the voice. The voice we just created is ready and already loaded in the field. Next, we need to add the input audio. This is the song where we want to replace the existing vocals with our own voice. You have two options here. 1. Upload a raw solo vocal. No effects, no instruments. 2. Upload a song that already has vocals with music, effects, and instruments. For the best results, Controller recommends using a raw solo vocal. But for this demo, I'll use the finished Suno song I created earlier so I can show you how easy it is to swap the voice, even if you don't have the tools to isolate vocals from music. Now click Browse Files or simply drag your Suno song into the input audio field. Great, the song is uploaded. Next, we need to focus on a few important settings to get the best results. Under Uploaded Audio Type, make sure you select the correct option. If it's a finished song, choose full song with music. If it's raw vocals only, choose vocals only. Since our Suno song is a finished song, I'll select full song with music. Next up is something super critical, the pitch shift. If you want the voice higher, click +12. If you want it lower, click -12. Why is this important? If the original vocal is higher than your voice, you need to adjust the pitch so it matches your voice. Even more so if you're swapping between male and female voices. Usually, female voices are higher and male voices are lower. For example, if I want to swap a female vocal to my voice, I'll usually start with -12 on the pitch shift. You might need to tweak this a bit to get the perfect result. It depends on how big the difference is between your voice and the song's original vocal. The bigger the gap, the more adjustment you might need. Anywhere from -24 to +24, which is the maximum. Since the vocal in my Suno song is a female voice and higher than mine, I'll start with -12 and adjust as needed. If you want even more control, click Advanced Settings. Here you can preserve your accent or the input vocals accent. Adjust volume dynamics to better match the input or make it closer to your created voice. I'll leave the settings as they are and click Save. Now everything is ready. Click Swap Voices. On the right, you'll see Controller generating the new song. Usually, it only takes a few minutes. Let's listen to the result.
Under the sofa, the furry gray sea, there's bunnies gather, staring at me. They got tiny eyes, they got little dreams, a whole hidden world he really just sees. They just wanna dance. A fluffy rebellion. Oh, this body serenade. A silent parade under the floor.
Perfect. It sounds really like me. This is amazing. Of course, the vocal abilities of this AI voice are way better than mine. But you can clearly hear my tone, my character, my voice foundation. In short, it's really my voice, just with vocal capabilities I don't naturally have. You might not be as blown away as I am yet, but once you try this with your own voice, I promise you'll fall in love with Controller Voice. And that's it. That's how you take any Suno AI song and make it sound like your own voice. Fully consistent, fully yours, without any studio, complicated software, or expensive gear. The big takeaway here is simple. AI lets you sound like yourself. Just your voice, your tone, your character, in any song you create. All it takes is a good recording and the right workflow in Controller Voice, and you can completely transform the way you create music. So, what's next? 1. Go back to your Suno songs and try swapping your voice in. 2. Play with pitch, accents, and volume dynamics to really match your style. 3. Experiment, have fun, and make it uniquely yours. If you want to dive even deeper, check out the links in the description for the tools I used in this video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more AI music tutorials, and leave a comment telling me what song you're going to try first with your own voice. I want to hear about it. Trust me, once you do this with your own voice, you'll fall in love with what AI can do. Go ahead, create something amazing, and share it with the world.